Finally, get there after 4 days of Easter holiday. Control Boy to open up my program. This is the one that I create with PySimpleGUI a few days ago. Let me show you what it does. Here, the input area corresponds to this part of the code. Simply recognize the key. On the right, there is the file browser, which is this data button. When I press it, the file browser pops up. Okay, the submit button is here. The reset is on the right. I didn't set any event for it, so it shouldn't return anything. Down here is exit. Click it and close the program. Let me Control Boy open the program again. This is the output element. Down here in the code, I specify the event loop. The layout above can be found in the window object below. This window object loads up the window title. Let me change it window 1. Control Boy to run it. Then this part will show Windows title 1. Here the layout is defined in the list above. Down here, the event loop, you see while true. If I press the cross or exit, then it will break the event loop, which means closing the program. If the event equals submit, the value submit is found in the submit button. Press it and run something, which in the input element here returns a value update from the element data. This data element is the CSV I select in the file browse. Here I apply the pandas read CSV to read the select CSV file. Let's say in data, pick language. Let me open it. This is the data. Now select it, open and hit submit. Then you see the output area, which is this part of the code that shows the table here. You see the reference, code, English, something like that. Let me talk about the PySimpleGUI. Many elements can be done in just a line of code. It saves a lot of coding time, so programs can be built very quickly. Comparing to Streamlit that we did before, it skips the process of loading from web server. But Streamlit allows uploading to the web for the public, or to the clients depending on how you set up the access rate. But still, I really like how quickly I make program like this. Here I just Control Boy to start the program quickly. You can also create a shortcut to open program with a batch file. This is just like the program icon on Windows or the apps on Mac. That's it for today. Ciao.